Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. It's time for another proper tour with your host, Alex Maloney, aka America's Realtor. Shout out to America. And today, y'all, we're at Tradition Homes in Windsong Ranch, Prosper, Texas. And welcome in, and let's get started. As you can see here, this is the downstairs study with the French doors. And over here is going to be your in-law suite with that full bath, walk-in shower, custom walk-in closet. And please be sure to hit that thumbs up and smash that subscribe button to join the YouTube family of America's Realtor. Would love to have you. It's a pretty big closet, y'all. Definitely bigger than most. And of course, if you're looking to move to the DFW Metroplex, please visit my website at www.alexpmaloney.com or visit my Instagram, America's Realtor. And please fill out an inquiry form, and I'll get back to you just as soon as I can and help you with what you're finding on your home hunt. Here is a half bath. And please let me know, as always, if you would live in a place like this in the comments below. So here we have another bedroom, another stand-up shower, single vanity with the walk-in closet. I like how they added those bars up top for those, winter clothes, summer clothes, whichever season you're in and not using, you can put those up there, or jackets, whatever. But makes the closet more spacious. Always. Good use of space. And here we have the open concept floor plan. Open kitchen. Look at this custom stove, y'all. That's a huge upgrade right there. And we have a big walk-in pantry. Love that. And we have the modern lighting fixtures. And the microwave and oven. And there's the living room. And look there, we have a little wine fridge. Like how they added that. Pretty neat. And we have this cozy space right here. Fireplace. Look at that fire going. Talk about vibes in this house, y'all. I am really digging this floor plan. Love that stone fireplace. And let's head in to the master suite. Full-size master suite with the master bath. Look how open this is, guys. It's not crammed in. There's a lot of space in here. Walk-in shower, garden tub, and his and hers closets. Now, as you can see, the laundry room's in here too, which we'll get to in a second. But I just want to make sure y'all soak this in right here so you can see get the full experience of the stand-up shower. And here we are with the laundry room, with the sink and over cabinet storage. And this looks like the hers, I want to say. But we got to compare the two sizes, of course, to see which one is the hers closet. And there's the toilet. Yep, so that is the... actually, they're pretty similar in size. So this builder definitely was like, I'm not building one bigger than the other. I guess he wanted them the same size. So I think maybe the first one was a little bigger, but you guys can be the judge of that for sure. And let's stroll on back over here. And y'all, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about Windsong Ranch in Prosper, Texas. It's one of my favorite communities. It has a crystal clear, beautiful lagoon. Definitely go on to my Instagram, and I got videos of that, drone footage, on land, all that stuff, of that lagoon for y'all to see. But it is a main attraction to the neighborhood. This is where the garages will go, but right now it's obviously the offices. And here's the downstairs media room as I'm talking to y'all. And it has a ton of biking trails. It's got parks. It's got 2 community pools. So the lagoon is considered obviously the community pool, and there's another one at the front of the neighborhood. There are tennis courts and outdoor fields, hiking trails as well. And it is over 2,000 acres, so it's a huge, huge master planned community. And tons of ponds everywhere, so it's very, very nature-y if you guys are nature people. And it is Prosper ISD as well. So this is a little 1.5 story. So right here could be another media room, game room, but this is really unique how they did this. So they just made a little ping pong room, hanging that TV right there, and it looks like a half bath up here. And I will tell you a little bit about the specs for this home. So this is the model for Tradition Homes, and the starting price is about $990,000. So if you wanted to look like the model home, you're probably going to run about that 1.2 mark, give or take. Maybe a little bit less, but you always want to overshoot when you're doing that stuff. And this one, 3,584 square feet. And as you can see, it's a 1.5 story, 3-car garage, and 4 beds. And let's head out here. Just want to give you another look right here of this cozy spot. And let's head outside. Got to move this stuff out of the way real quick. So hold your horses, as we say in Texas. And here we are. Here's the backyard with that fireplace. So we got 2 fireplaces in this house. And we have the backyard. And that is the end of the tour, y'all. I want to thank y'all for tuning in to today's property tour brought to you by Alex Maloney. And I will catch y'all on the next one.